In this video, I will show you how to create a new project and also import the assets which I will use in this series. So first of all, open up the Unreal Engine. Just right click and open up the Unreal Engine. When the Unreal Engine opens, there are different tabs. The first one is the recent projects. This tab basically shows the previous projects. Now click on the games tab. As you can see, there are different pre-built templates like first person, third person, top down and a virtual reality. But I will use the blank project. Click on the blank and click on this blueprint because I will use the blueprint instead of C++, and target platform is desktop instead of mobile. Okay, quality presets is maximum. Choose the directory where you want to save your projects and I will keep the default. Give the project name and I have first person game and I will give the first person FPS Zombie project. Okay, and click on the create. When the Unreal Engine opens, this is the interface of the Unreal Engine and I will discuss in my upcoming lectures. And first one, I need some settings. Go to the edit and go to the editor preferences. First, I will change assets editor open locations from default to main window and click on the play and enable the game gets mouse control. Okay, why we change the location of the assets editor? For example, click on the all settings. As you can see, this is the main window, so that whenever we open a new window, it opens here at the top instead of opening as a separate window. And why we enable the game gets mouse control? Because when we start the game, our mouse cursor doesn't show and the game starts directly. Let me show you. And click on the map and click on the play button. As you can see, my game has been started. If I close the game and go to the editor preferences, if I disable the game gets mouse control and click on the map and click on the play button, as you can see, my mouse cursor is showing and I don't want to show this. So press the escape button to close the game and go to the editor preferences and click on the game gets mouse control to enable. So this is the basic setting of the Unreal Engine. Click on the content folder. This is the default folder which comes from the Unreal Engine. Okay, so create a new folder and gives the name FPS and go inside the FPS folder and create a new folder which is called map, and inside the folder create a new map. Click on the file and click on the new level. First, I will start from the basic map and then I will import the pre-built maps in my upcoming videos. So click on the basic and click on the create and click on the file and save current level. Click on the save current level and go to the FPS folder, go to the maps folder and just write the name like default map, or you can give the name prototype. So click save and this is the map. I need to some minor settings, so go to the edit and click on the project settings and click on the maps and mode. As you can see, this is the editor startup map which is open world map. When I open the Unreal Engine again and again, then my map will be loaded is open world instead of a prototype. So let's change the map from open world to prototype. Close the project settings and close the editor preferences. So let's import the assets which I want to use in this series. Okay, so minimize the Unreal Engine and go to the browser like Mozilla Firefox. Just write the name of the website like sketchfab.com. This is a website which you can download the complete pre-built assets, and I will search FPS arms. As you can see, there are a lot of arms, but I need animated arms. Okay, so enable the animated. As you can see, there are a lot of different arms and I will use this one. Okay, FPS AK 74M animations. As you can see, this is the FPS arms with animations. So click on the rig and this is the idle animation. Like if I choose the walk animation, as you can see, this is the walk animations, and if I choose the run, as you can see, this is the run animations, and if I choose the short, as you can see, this is my short animations. Okay, now scroll down. This person has created the beautiful arms with animation. So click on the download 3D model. I need an account to download this assets. So I have already accounts. I just log in my account. If you don't have an account, so click on the create an account, or you can log in with the Google, Facebook, Twitter and Epic Games. So I have an account. I just log in. So search the FPS arms again and enable the animated and click on the FPS AK-74 and just click on the download 3D models. There are different formats, but I need FBX, okay? So click on the download and it will take some time depending on your internet speeds. Okay, my downloading has been complete, so close the browser. As you can see, this is the assets pack. Just right click and go to the WinRAR and extract here, okay? This is the source, which is FBX files, and this is textures, okay? First create a new folder which is called assets and create a new folder which is called weapons, okay? And open up the weapon folder and just go selected and click and drag and drop into the Unreal Engine and just click on the imports, okay? So as you can see, this is my FPS arms and this is animations like click on the reload animations, okay, and close the animations. So let's implement the materials and close the FPS on. So open up the arms materials, just left click and select all the nodes and press delete, okay. So go to the prototype map and go to the texture and just select arms texture, click and hold down the control button and click normal, click roughness. Just left click and drag and drop into the material. This is a base color like arms color. Just connect to the base color and click on this node and this is roughness and click just RGB to the roughness and this is the normal and click RGB to the normal, click apply and click save, okay, and close. As you can see, my material has been added on the arms. Now let's implement the material on the weapon, okay. So click on the prototype and go to the source folder and open up the AKM74. So select all the nodes and delete and go to the prototype and go to the texture folder. So select all the textures. So left click and hold down control and select all the texture and click and drag into the AKM74 material. So this is my albedo color. Albedo basically is the base color, okay. So connect this color and click on the metallic. So connect to the metallic. So this is roughness and click and connect to the roughness and click on the normal and connect to the normal and the last one is the ambient occlusions, okay, and click apply and click save, okay. So close the material. As you can see, my material has been added on the weapons. So close the FPS arms. So that's it in this lecture. I will show the implementation of my next lecture. So if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video.